Hello everyone, right now I am in front of a company that called EVERBRITE. Just outside their company I can tell they are serving the ceiling lamp, and especially for the residential use, because I can see right now when I'm standing right here I can tell the showroom are really bright. But for more items and for more surprises that are waiting for us, I am not sure. Maybe let's go in and find out more. Let's go. Hi.
Hello there.
My name is Kathy. May I have your name?
Okay, this is Rachel.
Okay,
nice
hi.
to meet you, Kathy.
Nice to meet you too, Rachel. Please say hello to our audience.
Hello, everyone. This is Rachel from Guzhen.
Okay, so Rachel, can you briefly tell us something about your company, EVERBRITE?
Okay, so EVERBRITE have been founded for more than 30 years. This is my family business.
Wow, really?
Yeah.
Okay. It's family business.
We mainly do interior decorative lighting.
Okay. Interior decorative lighting.
Uh-huh.
Because from your showroom, I can tell mostly are ceiling lamp and the pendant lamp, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. Basically, they are for the residential use, like for our home use.
Yes, for home use, some projects like hotels.
Oh, okay. Okay, now I can't wait to see more of your items.
Okay.
Okay, would you please show us?
Follow me, please.
Okay.
This way.
Wow, your showroom is really bright.
Yes.
Okay, now when we step into this area.
This is our latest design.
Which one? This one?
Yeah, this is the whole series.
Wow.
Usually we just put the curtain on, you know. Usually we just put the curtain on.
Okay, now.
We only show this to our VIP customers. Today you are here, you are our VIP, huh?
Thank you so much.
This is the latest design.
Okay.
This one, the color is changeable.
Wow.
You can, it's very cool, huh?
3 colors, right?
Yes, we can also customize as the customers required.
Okay.
Like a 3000K or 4000K.
Or 3 colors together.
Yes,
okay.
yes. These are our patent products.
Okay, now let's get closer about the material of it. What's the material of it?
Okay, this mainly aluminum and iron.
Oh, okay.
And silicon. We can show to this camera.
Okay.
See, and with the crystal, very beautiful.
Yeah.
And this is the private mode.
Yeah.
And the lighting source, the bulb inside the lighting source is also our private mode.
Wow.
It's not just put a strip on, you know, very loose, you know, but this is quite solid and easy to change, because this one can just plug on and plug off, and to replace the lighting source very easily.
Yeah, it's very easy to install. And
we mainly sell this a lot to the European countries.
European countries.
Yes.
Can you name some countries?
Like UK,
Germany.
Yes.
Yeah.
Netherlands.
Wow.
Holland.
Wow. Okay, Netherlands and something like that. Okay, I can tell this is one series, but it can be different dimensions. Like this is how many bulbs?
This one is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9 bulbs.
9 bulbs.
Okay.
And this one we also got the spotlight on the plate, on the base. You see,
Okay,
I just turn it off. You can see the spotlight just on.
Yeah. So when we don't need so much brightness, we can turn that on.
Yes.
When
exactly.
when we need more, we can turn all of the light on.
Yeah.
Cool.
That's quite cool, huh?
Right. And I think this is basically for the living room.
Living room, and for the dining room.
Dining room.
Yes, some retail stores.
Okay.
For some projects, some restaurant even, or coffee bars.
Oh, right.
We can also customize as the customer required for the size. Okay.
Okay, it can be customized.
Yes, customized.
Okay, so that one we just saw is like a lantern, a Chinese lantern. But this one, it is a ball with a ring.
Yes, this one is square ring.
Right.
And with this bulb, it's like a gold color.
Right.
With this crystal, a little bit very luxury.
Right.
It's like very luxury.
Right.
But if you don't like the gold color, we can also make this silver color. Make it look like more modern. See? This is silver color.
Right.
Much more modern.
Yeah. But actually, this is a kind of light source too.
Yeah.
Oh, it's just not just a frame or a circle. It is also a light.
And we also use the best quality material. See, this This silicon even.
Silicon.
Sometimes to make the price much cheaper,
Yeah.
some suppliers, some factories use a second-hand silicon.
Oh my
but
God.
we use the original one. So you
Okay.
can see the brightness.
Yeah.
The illumination effect is very good.
Right. Okay. So this is the series, of the pendant light. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's go in and find out more.
Yeah, Cassie, this is my another showroom.
Okay.
Okay, with
EVERBRITE.
this showroom, yes, EVERBRITE. This showroom will mainly demonstrates the ceiling fan.
Okay.
Okay, ceiling fans.
Ceiling fan.
Yes, we have the whole series of ceiling fans.
Wow. Yeah, I can tell.
And this series, okay, is a caged ceiling fan. Mainly sell in North America.
North America.
It's a hot sale product on
Okay.
Amazon.
Okay.
Nowadays, this caged is very popular.
Okay.
Caged ceiling fan, very popular.
Okay.
Especially in America,
Yeah.
Canada.
Yeah, because I can tell the ceiling fan light is very environmental friendly.
Yes, it's
You can enjoy the air and you can also have the light on.
yes, because the power expense is very high.
Right.
In the developed countries.
Right.
So this one for the fan can save the energy, save
Right.
power.
Right.
So in America they have Energy Star. They encourage people to use the energy saving product.
Exactly.
This cage ceiling fan can use in the living room. And why it's called cage ceiling fan? Because there's a cage, just around the fan. The fan
Right.
is inside of the cage.
Right.
This way they feel safety. It's like the fan cannot go anywhere. Just
Yeah.
stay in the cage, huh?
Okay, I stay in the cage. Okay. Yeah, this is a series. Okay.
They have different colors, black,
Black.
and gold.
Gold.
And this one gold with
Wow.
crystal.
This is with crystal.
This one is like industrial.
Yeah, industrial style.
Yes, industrial style.
Great. Okay, anything else?
We also have the candy ones, candy ones.
This is very cute.
Because it's a candy series. It's very cute
Yeah.
for the kid.
Kids room.
Yeah, for kids room. We can also make a different color. This one is in blue, just to match with our logo color. Actually, we can also make it a pink, gold,
Right.
Yellow.
All
Black.
of the colors?
Yes, many colors, 7 colors available.
So I think they're perfect for the kindergarten.
Yeah.
Okay. And
And this one is like the ceiling fan with light.
yeah, this bigger one.
Yes, this one is wood blades. This one with wood blades.
This is
This
wood.
one we have different inches. Usually we have 36, 42, 52, 58, and
Right.
different inches. And see here we have a giant one. This one it is 76
Okay.
inches.
Inch.
Yes,
Not
inch.
not centimeters.
No,
Inch.
inches.
The diameter.
No, 76 inches.
Okay, inches.
Yeah, this one got a quite big lamp inside. The
Yes.
brightness is enough.
It's very cool to be stand under it.
Yes.
Yeah, it's very
You can
cool.
put this in the living room, also can on the decor.
Right. You know what? I really like this white one.
You like the white one? No worries. I can give you one for free for your home usage.
Thank you so much. Exactly.
This one got the 3 blades.
Okay.
We can also have the 5 blades ones.
5 blades.
And the most important, our quality is very good. You can try to lift up our motor.
Yeah.
You can just try the.
Oh my God.
It's very
So
heavy.
heavy,
We have
right.
100% copper motor
right.
inside.
Yeah.
The warranty years is like 10 years at least.
10 years.
At least.
Oh my God. At least 10 years warranty.
This is like the heart or the engine for, like the
light.
heart.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like for the human's heart, the motor is the most important part.
Right. Okay.
And we also OEM for our factory, we also OEM for some
Other
big brands
okay.
like the most biggest top 3, in China.
Wow,
but I can't say the name, sorry for that.
That's okay. Also, Rachel, I believe your company is really a professional one in making the residential lighting, right?
Yes, because it's a family business. We have been doing this more than 30 years.
30 years?
Yes, I was. You can tell how old I am, right?
I can't. It's a secret of a girl.
Okay, anyway, I was born in a in the family who make lighting.
Okay.
Okay, my parents have been doing this for their whole life.
Okay, so you have been dedicate your life, your family to the lighting industry.
Yes,
Okay.
I really love light and the lighting, you know.
Okay.
I was cultivated like
Yeah.
like this way.
You know what? The interest is the best teacher.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
and the
have
passion.
interest.
You
Yeah,
also
I have
your
passion on it.
Okay, so everyone remember this is EVERBRITE Lighting, not just the ceiling lamp or the pendant lamp, they also have the ceiling light, fan light, right?
Yes, the most important, I have a passion for lighting. I really like it. Who never interested in light or lighting, like to we make friends, okay, and discuss about this.
So every customer is your friend.
Yeah.
Okay, you have a good relationship with them.
Yes, we always have the same topic. What's the latest design? Where can we get the best quality? Where can we get the best price? What's popular on the market? Maybe in Europe, in America, what they need now, okay?
Yeah, okay.
And we are here in the lighting capital of China. We can make what they want, they wish to become true.
Right. Okay, so everyone remember this is EVERBRITE Lighting. If you are really interested in the product, don't forget to scan the QR code at the end of this video. And if you like our program, please give us a like and leave a comment below. Once again, thank you, Rachel.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you. Okay, so everyone stay tuned. Bye-bye.
Bye.